Here it is, July the 24th, 2018. Beautiful summer rain. Mild out, it's about 24 degrees, but we've had this rain all day. And kind of nice. There's people that don't get much rain. It's always hot and dry. This is what a summer shower looks like here in southern Ontario, Canada. This is our backyard, like our little forest that we get to walk around in. I'm not going out there to get wet. I just do it here from the doorway. Coming down from the east trough. Been raining for 3 days. No birds or nothing. They're all huddled up somewhere. Bought that dog house for the dogs when it rains and they never use it. That was a waste of money. We got one tool shed over there and we got another one way back there. So, looks like it's easing up for a minute here. Big puddles down here. Everything's so green. Anyway, that's our yard. Live in a little village. You hear the trucks on the highway about 3 blocks away. But normally you could hear a pin drop around here. It's very quiet. Nice little retirement spot. Sun's out, I sit out here all the time with my coffee. Enjoy the birds singing. We got doves and we got robins and we got cardinals and blue jays. Flowers are almost growing right across the sidewalk here. Anyway, that's it.